Hello everyone, I hope you understood what is matrix. Now we will solve some problems on matrix. These are the simple problems and it is important for 1 mark. And one more thing, in this chapter you will get lot of problems as homework because in the exercise many problems are there and those problems are simple. I will solve 2 or 3 problems, remaining you have to solve. Okay, now we will see this problem. Given construct 3 by 2 matrix if Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod of I minus j. You have to construct a matrix of order 3 by 2. You know that if it is a matrix of order m and n, m by n, Aij will be an element, right? Here this is the element in the ith row and jth column. You studied this one. So the value of I is between 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to m, and the value of j is between 1 less than or equal to j less than or equal to n. This you know. Now you have to construct the matrix 3 by 2. So what will be the matrix? First we will write. First element will be A11. That is element in the first row, first column. Then A12. Because there are only 2 columns are there. Then it is A21 and A22. Then this is will be A31 and this is A32. So this is a matrix of order 3 by 2. Now we have to find all the elements. We have the value of Aij, right? Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod of I minus j. So this is equal to, first we will find A11. So I is 1, j is 1. I will substitute 1 by 2 mod of 1 minus 1. So this will be equal to 0, right? Then we will find A12, that is 1 by 2 mod of, now I is 1 and j is 2 minus 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 mod of minus 1. So this is equal to, mod is there, so plus 1 by 2. Right, we got A11 and A12. Then you have to find A21, right? Then A22, then A31 and A32. Complete this, okay? Here the value of I is 2 and j is 1. Here I is 2 and j is also 2. You have to find all the 6 values and then you have to substitute in this one. Okay, that is the 3 by 2 matrix with the value Aij is equal to that one. And one more thing, if it is a matrix is of order 3 by 2, then the number of elements in that matrix will be always equal to 6. Remember this, if it is a matrix of order m by n in general, total number of elements in that matrix will be mn. Remember this one, okay? If I want to construct a matrix with 8 elements, okay? I want to construct a matrix with 8 elements. What are the possible order here? We have to get 8 element possibilities. Either I can go with 1 by 8, right? This is possible, or 8 by 1 is possible, or 2 by 4 matrix is possible, or 4 by 2 is possible. These are the possible matrices with the elements 8. If I want to construct a matrix with 12 elements, then possibilities 1 by 2, 12, sorry, 1 by 12 is possible, or 12 by 1, or 3 by 4, or 4 by 3, or one more 6 by 2, or 2 by 6. These are the possible matrices with element 12. Remember this, if it is a matrix is of order 3 by 2, then the number of elements in that matrix will be 6. I mean you have to multiply the number of rows and the number of columns. Now we will see the next problem. Here it is given one matrix is equal to the another matrix, right? What is the order of this matrix? It is a square matrix, right? Number of rows is equal to the number of columns of order 3 by 3. And this is also matrices of order 3 by 3. When two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements should be equal, right? First of all, their order should be same, then the corresponding elements are equal. Here it is given that two matrices are equal, so you have to take the corresponding elements are equal, then you have to simplify. Here x plus 3 should be equal to 0, right? Here the first element is x plus 3, here it is equal to 0, so I can consider x plus 3 is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? X is equal to minus 3. I got the value of x. Next we will see z plus 4, that should be equal to, their second element is 6, right? So z is equal to 6 minus 4 will be equal to 2. Next one, 2y minus 7, here the third element is 2y minus 7. That is the element in the first row, third column. Here first row, third column will be this, that is 3y minus 2, right? You can simplify this one. Is it clear? By simplify this and find the value of y. I hope you understood this one. Simplify and find the value of y. Next one, minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Next, a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So the value of a is equal to minus 3 plus 1. It will be equal to minus 2. Next 0 is equal to, there it is 2c plus 2. So I can write 0 is equal to 2c plus 2. So the value of c is equal to, what is 2c will be? Minus 2, c is equal to minus 1. Right? Next b minus 3 is equal to, here the element in the third row, first column. It is here b minus 3 should be equal to 2b plus 4. So here it is minus 3 minus 4 will be minus 7 is equal to 2b minus b will be equal to b. So the value of b is equal to minus 7. Last one 0 is equal to 0 and minus 21 is equal to minus 21. We got the value of x. You have to find y and z. Here a, b and c. This is a simple problem. Some more problems are there in the example. Just go through those problems, okay? Just you have to equate those and you have to find the values. I am not going to explain that one because those are very easy. You solve those, okay? Now we will see operation on matrices, not that operation. We will see the addition, subtraction and the scalar multiplication. First we will see the addition of two matrices, okay? Addition of two matrices. Let me consider A is equal to Aij is a one matrix, okay, and we'll consider another matrix. To add we need at least two matrices, right? So B is equal to Bij is another matrix. Addition of A and B, that is A plus B, is possible only when the order of the A and B should be same. If it is the order is same, then only you can add two matrices. If it is this is a matrix of order m by n, this should be a matrix of order m by n. Then the addition you have to add the corresponding element. Just you have to add the corresponding element. That is addition of A ij plus B ij. Is it clear? Addition is possible only when the order of the matrix should be same. Then only you can add. Other than that, addition is not defined. For example, let me consider A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we have to add these two matrices. That is A plus B. Before adding this one, you have to check the order of a matrix. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2, right? Square matrix. Order of this is also 2 by 2. So order is same. You can add the matrix. So what you have to do? Just you have to add the corresponding elements. Here 1 plus 1, right? 1 plus 1 will be 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 4 plus 6 is 10. This is the addition of a two matrix. If it is the order is not same, then the addition is not defined. Okay? This is the addition, simple one. Then we will see the difference of two matrix. This is also similar to this one. Difference. What is that? We will consider same matrix. A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij. And difference of the matrix is also possible only when the order of the matrices should be same. Then how to find the difference? Just you have to subtract the corresponding elements. Here we will consider same example. A minus B is equal to, I have to, yes, order is obviously same. I have to subtract 1 minus 1. This will be equal to 0. 2 minus 4. It is minus 2. Then 3 minus 5. It is minus 2. Then 4 minus 6. Again it is equal to minus 2. You got a very good matrix, right? Here. 0 minus 2 and minus 2. This is the A minus B. This is a subtraction. Then one more thing is the, I hope you understood this one. Just you have to add the corresponding element and you have to subtract the corresponding element. Scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication, important one. A is the one matrix and K is the scalar, and multiplication of K and A is obtained by multiplying each and every element of A by K. You have to multiply all the elements of A by K. If I'll consider one example. I'll consider K is equal to 4 and the matrix is A and A is the matrix. Here I need the value of 4A. Here 4 is the constant, right? 4A. What you have to do? You have to multiply every element of A by 4. That is, if I multiply 4 and 1, 4. 4 into 2 will be 8. 4 into 3 will be 12. And 4 into 4 is 60. Clear? So this is the 4E. This is about the addition, difference and the scalar multiplication. Next one more is there, multiplication of a matrix. Don't think that you have to multiply the corresponding elements. It is totally different, but the multiplication is very important. 5 mark problems will be based on those multiplication. Now we'll see properties of matrix addition. These properties are not that much important, but you should know. Okay, first we'll see commutative law. Is it a matrix addition is commutative? Obviously right. If you add A and B, that will be equal to B and A. Addition of A plus B is equal to B plus A. Order should be same, otherwise the addition is not possible, and proof is also is given in your textbook. Actually this is not important, but we'll see. A plus B is equal to Aij plus Bij. You have to add the corresponding element. That's when I can write Aij plus Bij. Right? I can split this one, Bij plus Aij. So this will be equal to B plus C. So matrix addition is commutative. What about associative? To check the associative law, we need 3 matrices. We have considered A, B and C of order m by n. All the matrices are having the same order. So if you add A plus B, then plus C will be equal to B plus C, then adding with A. So it is associative law holds under the matrix addition. Now existence of additive identity. I'll consider one matrix A. I have to add some matrix here so that I have to get the value of A. What is the additive identity? Can you say? Yes, it is 0. But here this is not the 0 value, that will be a 0 matrix. Remember this one, this is not 0, this is 0 matrix. If I consider matrix 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have to take the additive identity. What will be the additive identity? Additive identity of this matrix will be, this is the matrix of order 3 by 2. So I have to consider the 0 matrix of order 3 by 2. That should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this will be equal to same. Is it clear? Additive identity of same order. So this will be now 0 matrix. That is the 0 matrix is the additive identity. Now what is the existence of additive inverse? A will be there plus I have to add something to get this should be equal to the 0 matrix. Is it clear? What I have to add? Obviously it is minus A. Right? A minus A will be equal to 0. So minus A will be the additive inverse. I hope you understood this one. Additive inverse. If you want to consider one example, I will consider here 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to add something to get that as an additive identity. I have to get this as 0, 0, 0 and 0. What I have to add? Here it should be 1 is there, I have to subtract minus 1. 2 is there, minus 2, right? 3 is there, minus 3. 4 is there, minus 4. This one can be written as minus of 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be now minus C. I hope you understood this one. All the 4 properties. Okay. Next is the properties of scalar multiplication. You know about scalar multiplication. This is K into A plus B is always equal to Ka plus Kb. Proof is also there. Actually the proof is not important. What we can do is K into A plus B. A is a matrix Aij and plus B is a matrix of Bij. Order is same. Then you can write K into Aij plus Bij. You can add the corresponding element. Then you can multiply by K into Aij plus Bij. You can split this one, K into Aij plus K into Bij. So this will be equal. I hope you understood this one. If I consider A and B, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to, I will consider 1, 1, 1 and 1. These are the 2 matrices. We will consider K as 2. The constant K is equal to 2. Now 2 into A plus B. What is it clear? K into A plus B. K is 2, A plus B. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Right? After this you have to multiply it by this one. So this will be now 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 5 is 10. So this is the left hand side. Right? Now we will see the right hand side, that is Ka plus Kb. What is the value of K? K is 2. Ka will be now, what it will be, you have to multiply by 2. So this is now 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8 plus K into B. That is 2 into 1 is, that is 2. 2 and 2 and 2. Right? You have to add this. 2 plus 2 will be 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So both are same. Right? 4, 6, 8, 10. So both the K into A plus B is always equal to Ka plus Kb. This is the first property. Second property says that K plus L into A is equal to Ka plus La. Here you should remember this one. A and B are the matrices and K and L are the constants. Here K and L are constants. Remember this one, okay? K and L are constants. K plus L into E. Here we need two constants, right? One is K, another one is L. I'll consider here example. We'll consider K is equal to 2 and L is equal to 3. Okay. Now K plus L into E. K plus L will be now 2 plus 3 will be, I hope you understand this one, 5 into A. We'll consider the matrix A as, simple example we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now this is 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll multiply this one. This is equal to 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. Right? 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 4 is 20. So this is the left hand side. Right? We have found the K plus L into E. Now we get find Ka plus Kl. I don't have place here. Ka plus Kl. So K into A. K into A. K is 2 into A. We'll multiply K into A. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. Right? Plus K into L. What is L here? L is 3 into A. That is 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 4 is 12. Now we'll add this one. This is equal to, what you have to do? How to add? You have to add the corresponding element, right? 2 plus 3 will be 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 9 is 15, right? And 8 plus 12 is 20. So both are same. This is the example. Actually, these examples are not important. Just you have to remember this one. K into A plus B is always equal to Ka plus Kb. This is the important one. Next one, this one. K plus L into A is equal to Ka plus La. Now we'll see the next problem. See, in your textbook many problems are there. I mean example problems are there, verbal problems. Go through those problems. Those verbal problems are not that much important, but you see that ones, okay? Now we'll see this one. If A is equal to 8, 0, 4, minus 2, matrix is given, B is also given. What is the order of this matrix? 3 by 2, and this is also 3 by 2. Find the value of x such that, here x is the matrix, such that 2a plus 3x is equal to 5b. This type of problems are important. So what we can do, we have to find the value of 3x. So 3x can be written as 5b minus 2a, right? So 3x is equal to 5b minus 2a. Then you have to find the value of x. That is, you have to multiply by 1 by 2. Just we'll find this one. 5b minus 2a. 5b. You have to multiply the matrix b by 5. Right? 5b will be now 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into minus 2 minus 10. So this will be 5 into 4 20. 5 into 2 is 10. Minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. So this will be now 5. Yes. Minus 2a. What is 2a? We multiply by 2. So 2 into 8 is 16. So this will be 0. This is 8. And this is minus 4. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. I hope you are understanding this one. Okay. So this is equal. Now you have to subtract the corresponding elements. 10 minus 16. Right. 10 minus 16 will be equal to minus 6. Minus 10 plus 0. Sorry. Minus 10 minus 0. Anyway it is same. Minus 10. So 20 minus 8. What is 20 minus 8? It is 12. 10 minus of minus will be plus 4. 10 plus 4 will be 14. So this is minus 25 minus 6. So this is equal to minus 31. This is 5 minus 12. It will be equal to minus 7. Is it clear? So this is now 3x. But we need the value of x. So x is equal to 1 by 3 into minus 6 minus 10. 12, 14, minus 31 and minus 7. Now you have to multiply by 1 by 3. So minus 6 by 3 will be equal to minus 2. So this is as it is. Minus 10 by 3, right, as it is. This is 12 by 3 will be 4. And this will be now 14 divided by 3. This is now minus 31 by 3. Next will be minus 7 by 3. So this is the value of x. I hope you understood this one. We'll see the next one. Find x and y if x plus y is equal to this matrix, x minus y is equal to this matrix, right? So this problem is important. X plus y and x minus y is given. What we can do here? We'll consider this as 1, matrix 1, and this as a matrix 2. To find the value of x and y, if you add this, you will get the value of x, right? We'll add this one. So that is now x plus y plus x minus y is equal to, we are adding the matrix this and this. I hope you understand this one. 5 plus 3 will be 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 minus 1 will be equal to 8. So this is a value. So minus 5 and plus 5 will get cancelled. So x plus 6 will be 2x is equal to 8, 8, 0 and 8. What is the value of x? You have to divide it by 2, right? If you divide by 2, this is equal to, now 8 by 2 is 4. 8 by 2 is 4, 0 and 4. This is the value of x. I hope you understood this one, the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. We are substituting any one of the equation. That is given that x plus y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9. Yes, we need the value of y. Y is equal to, this is 5, 2, 0, 9 minus x. Understood? Minus x. So minus x will be here now. What is the value of x? 4, 4 and 0, 4. Directly I wrote here. This is the value of x. The value of y is equal to this minus x. So just to subtract this one, this is equal to now 5 minus 4 will be equal to 1. 2 minus 4 will be equal to minus 2. And this is 0 minus 0, 0. And 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is the value of y. I hope you understood this one. The value of x and y. If you add x and y, you have to get this one. If you subtract x and y, you have to get that. Next problem is find the value of x and y. Question is given. You have to multiply 2 to this matrix plus this matrix, then and you have to equate with this one. So that will get the value of x and y. I think you can solve this problem, right? First multiply. So this will be now 2x and this is 10 and this is 14. 2 into y minus 3 will be 2y minus 6, right? So this is now plus, you add 3 minus 4, 1 and 2, then equate with this one, 7, 6, here equation is this, 7, 6, 15 and 4, so that we will get the value of x and y. Complete this, okay? In the next session, we will move to the multiplication of a matrix.